Stir-fry cabbage are very sweet and nutritious. It goes very well with wood ear mushroom or black fungus for the chewy textures. Today we are making stir-fry cabbage with wood ear mushroom. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 450 grams of cabbage, washed and cut into 1 square inch, 145 grams of wood ear mushroom, 1 stalk of leek, cut and washed, half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil, 600 grams of carrot sliced, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Start with mixing the tapioca flour solution. Put 2 tablespoons of water in a small mixing bowl. Add in all the tapioca flour. Give it a mix until well dissolved. This is to thicken the gravy. Alright, this is what it should look like. Put it aside. Let's cook. Heat the pan. Add in all the garlic oil and wait for the oil to heat up. Add in half of the crispy fried garlic. Give it a little mix and spread them around the pan. Add in the cut carrots and wood ear mushrooms. Give it a stir to evenly distribute the heat. Now add in all the leeks and continue to stir. Add in all of the water. Stir. Add in all of the seasonings, pepper, sesame oil, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir until seasonings are well combined. Next, add in all the cabbage. Cover the lid and let it simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, see, the cabbage is turning slightly softer now. Stir until all the vegetable and seasonings are well mixed. At this stage, the vegetable will be nice and crunchy. Give it a taste. Delicious. More seasoning can be added if preferred. If you prefer the cabbage to be softer, you can continue to cook for another 2 more minutes. For this, it is already perfect in taste and texture. Next, add in the tapioca flour mix and all of the crispy fried garlic. Stir, and now the gravy will be thickened. Switch off the heat and we are done. See, the stir-fried cabbage with wood ear mushroom looks so yummy. Let's dish out and serve. Let's eat! Wow, delicious! The vegetables are very sweet, crunchy and fragrant. This is good on its own or with rice. Lovely! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!